Most projects don't fail because of lack of skill. They fail because of slow, inefficient tools. What if you could finish faster, work cleaner, and get better results with less effort? On AU Techverse, you're about to discover 30 amazing tools that completely transform your workflow. And every single one is linked in the description so you can check them out right away. Claw hammer. A claw hammer is one of the most fundamental tools in any woodworking project, especially when speed and simplicity matter. Imagine assembling a wooden frame where nails need to be driven quickly and adjusted if needed. This tool handles both tasks efficiently. The flathead is used for driving nails, while the curved claw allows easy removal without damaging the wood. In real projects, this saves time and reduces the need for additional tools. When basic assembly and quick fixes are required, a claw hammer remains a reliable and essential tool in your workflow. Wood Chisels Set. A wood chisel set is essential when your project requires clean cuts and precise detailing. Imagine fitting a hinge or creating a joint where accuracy matters. Chisels allow you to remove small amounts of material with full control. A typical set includes multiple sizes, making it easier to handle both fine work and heavier cuts. With a sharp edge and solid handle, they respond well to hand pressure or a light mallet. In real projects, they help refine rough work into clean finishes. When precision shaping is required, a wood chisel set delivers controlled and accurate results. Hand saw. A hand saw is a dependable tool for quick, controlled cuts when setting up a power tool is not practical. When imagine working on a small adjustment or cutting a piece on site where electricity or space is limited. This tool lets you proceed without delay. Its sharp, angled teeth are designed to cut efficiently through wood with steady strokes. In real projects, it provides flexibility and control, especially for simple tasks. When you need a fast and straightforward cutting solution, a handsaw keeps your workflow moving without unnecessary setup. Measuring tape. A measuring tape is essential for ensuring every cut and fit is accurate from the start. Imagine preparing pieces for a cabinet where even a small measurement error can affect the entire assembly. This tool gives you quick and reliable dimensions. With clear markings and a locking mechanism, it allows you to measure, mark, and repeat sizes with consistency. In real projects, it helps reduce waste and prevents rework. When accuracy directly impacts the final result, a measuring tape becomes a simple yet critical tool that keeps your project on track. Carpenter Square. A Carpenter Square is used to mark and verify perfect right angles, which is essential for clean and accurate construction. Imagine building a frame or aligning panels where even a slight angle error can throw off the entire structure. This tool helps you maintain precision from the start. Its rigid design allows you to draw straight lines and check corners instantly. In real projects, it reduces misalignment and speeds up layout work. When your cuts and joints depend on exact angles, a Carpenter Square ensures your work stays accurate and properly aligned. Table saw. A table saw is the backbone of most woodworking projects when you need fast, straight, and repeatable cuts. Imagine cutting multiple boards for a cabinet where every piece must match exactly. This tool allows you to guide wood along a fixed fence for consistent results. The flat surface supports the material, while the rotating blade delivers clean cuts with accuracy. In real projects, it saves time and reduces errors during repetitive tasks. When precision and efficiency are essential, a table saw becomes the central machine that keeps your entire workflow smooth and reliable. Circular saw. A circular saw is built for fast, straight cuts when you need flexibility on the job. Imagine working with large plywood sheets where moving them to a table saw is not practical. This tool allows you to cut directly on site. With adjustable depth and bevel settings, it handles different cutting requirements with control. Yes, in real projects, it speeds up rough cutting and makes handling large materials much easier. When you need a balance of power, portability, and efficiency, a circular saw becomes a reliable tool that keeps your work moving quickly. Miter saw. A miter saw is designed for accurate cross cuts and angled cuts, making it essential for clean joints and precise framing. Imagine cutting pieces for trim or a picture frame where every angle must match perfectly. This tool allows you to set and repeat angles with consistency. Its pivoting arm and fixed base provide stability during each cut. In real projects, it reduces setup time and improves accuracy across multiple pieces. When your work depends on exact angles and clean edges, a miter saw ensures fast, reliable, and professional results every time. Band saw. A band saw is designed for smooth, controlled cutting, especially when working with curves or thicker pieces of wood. Imagine shaping a curved furniture component or cutting irregular patterns. This tool allows you to follow lines with precision. Its continuous loop blade moves in one direction, providing better control and reducing the chance of rough cuts. In real projects, it handles both detailed shaping and heavier cuts efficiently. When you need versatility and accuracy in cutting, a band saw helps you work faster while maintaining clean and consistent results. Jigsaw. A jigsaw is ideal when your project involves curved cuts or detailed shapes that straight cutting tools cannot handle. Imagine cutting a custom opening in a wooden panel or shaping decorative edges. This tool lets you follow complex lines with control. Its reciprocating blade moves up and down, and allowing precise cuts even in tight areas. With adjustable speed settings and different blade options, it adapts to various materials and tasks. In real projects, it adds flexibility and saves time. When intricate cutting is required, a jigsaw delivers clean and accurate results with ease. Power drill. A power drill is one of the most essential tools for any woodworking project, handling both drilling and fastening with speed and control. Imagine assembling a cabinet where multiple holes and screws are required. Doing this manually would slow you down significantly. With variable speed settings and interchangeable bits, a power drill adapts to different materials and tasks easily. In real projects, it helps create clean holes and secure joints quickly. When efficiency and consistency are important, a power drill keeps your workflow fast and your results reliable. Impact driver. An impact driver is built for driving screws and fasteners with higher torque, especially when working with dense wood or long screws. Imagine assembling a heavy wooden frame where standard tools struggle to push screws fully. This tool delivers strong, consistent force without excessive effort. Its internal hammering mechanism helps maintain grip on the screw head, reducing slipping. In real projects, it speeds up fastening and improves joint strength. When powerful and efficient screw driving is required, an impact driver ensures the job is completed quickly and securely. Wood router. A wood router is essential for creating clean edges, grooves, and precise joinery in woodworking projects. Imagine finishing the edges of a table or cutting slots for joints. This tool allows you to shape wood with consistency and control. With adjustable depth settings and interchangeable bits, it handles tasks like trimming, edging, and slot cutting efficiently. In real projects, it improves both speed and finish quality. When detailed work and clean edges are required, a wood router helps you achieve accurate and professional results with less effort. Drill press. A drill press provides stability and precision when you need perfectly straight and consistent holes. Imagine drilling multiple holes for a shelf or joinery where alignment must be exact. This tool ensures each hole is drilled at the same angle and depth. With a fixed base, adjustable table, and controlled downward motion, it removes the guesswork of handheld drilling. And in real projects, it improves accuracy and speeds up repetitive tasks. When precision and consistency are critical, a drill press delivers reliable results that are difficult to achieve manually. Angle grinder, wood carving attachment. An angle grinder with a wood carving attachment is useful for fast material removal and rough shaping. Imagine starting with a solid block of wood that needs to be shaped into a curved or custom form. This tool helps you remove excess material quickly. The rotating attachment allows controlled carving, especially in early stages of shaping before fine detailing. In real projects, it reduces manual effort and speeds up the process significantly. When rough shaping needs to be done efficiently, this setup helps you move quickly toward the final design. Orbital Sander. An orbital sander is designed to smooth wood surfaces quickly and evenly, especially during finishing stages. Imagine preparing a tabletop for paint or polish. Manual sanding would take much longer and may leave uneven marks. This tool uses a random orbital motion that helps reduce visible scratches and creates a consistent surface. It supports different sandpaper grits, allowing gradual refinement from rough to fine. In real projects, it improves finish quality while saving time. When a clean and professional surface is required, an Orbital Sander delivers reliable and consistent results. Belt Sander. A belt sander is built for fast material removal when you need to level rough surfaces or reduce thickness quickly. Imagine working with a warped or uneven board. This tool helps you bring it to a workable state in much less time. Its continuous sanding belt moves in one direction, allowing aggressive sanding compared to smaller sanders. In real projects, it is commonly used in the early stages before fine finishing. When speed and efficiency are important in heavy sanding tasks, a belt sander becomes a powerful tool that saves both time and effort. Thickness planer. A thickness planer is used to make wooden boards uniformly flat and consistent in thickness, which is essential for accurate assembly. Imagine preparing multiple boards for a tabletop where each piece must align perfectly. This tool feeds the wood through rotating blades that remove excess material evenly. It ensures smooth surfaces and identical thickness across all pieces. In real projects, it saves time compared to manual leveling and improves overall precision. When consistency and clean finishing are required, a thickness planer delivers reliable results that make assembly easier and more accurate. Jointer. A jointer is used to flatten surfaces and straighten edges, which is a critical step before assembling wooden pieces. Imagine working with rough lumber that has slight bends or uneven edges. This tool removes high spots to create a flat reference surface. It uses a rotating cutter head and a stable table to guide the wood accurately. In real projects, it ensures boards fit together tightly without gaps. When proper alignment and clean joints are important, a jointer prepares your material efficiently and improves the overall quality of your work. Hand planer. A hand planer is used for fine adjustments when you need to smooth or slightly reduce the thickness of wood with control. Imagine fitting a wooden door or adjusting an edge that is just a little too tight. This tool allows you to remove thin layers gradually without overcutting. It works quietly and gives you direct feedback as you shape the surface. In real projects, it helps refine edges and improve the fit between components. When precision adjustments are required, a hand planer provides clean and controlled results. Laser level. A laser level helps you achieve perfectly straight and level alignments without repeated manual checking. Imagine installing shelves or aligning wooden frames where even a small tilt can affect the final look. This tool projects a clear reference line across the surface. Many models include self-leveling features that simplify setup and improve accuracy. In real projects, it reduces rework and speeds up installation tasks. Only when clean alignment is essential, a laser level ensures your work stays accurate and visually consistent from start to finish. Digital Angle Finder. A digital angle finder allows you to measure and transfer angles with precision, which is essential for accurate cuts and tight-fitting joints. Imagine setting up a miter cut where even a small angle error can create gaps. This tool provides an exact digital reading instantly. It often includes a locking function to hold the measured angle for repeat use. In real projects, it reduces guesswork and speeds up setup for cutting tools. When exact angles are required for clean results, a digital angle finder ensures your measurements stay accurate every time. Digital caliper. A digital caliper is essential when you need precise measurements beyond what a standard tape can provide. Imagine fitting two wooden parts together where even a slight difference can affect alignment. This tool gives you exact readings instantly. It can measure external, internal, and depth dimensions with a clear digital display, reducing guesswork. In real projects, it helps ensure tight fits and consistent sizing across components. When precision directly impacts quality, a digital caliper provides accurate measurements that keep your work clean and reliable. Moisture meter. A moisture meter helps you determine whether your wood is ready to use by measuring its internal moisture content. Imagine building furniture with wood that still contains excess moisture. Over time, it can warp or crack, affecting the final result. This tool provides quick readings so you can decide if the material needs more drying. In real projects, it prevents costly mistakes and improves durability. When long-term stability and clean results matter, a moisture meter ensures you start with properly conditioned wood every time. Marking gauge. A marking gauge is used to draw precise, consistent lines that guide your cuts and joints. Imagine preparing multiple pieces for joinery, where each measurement must match exactly. This tool allows you to set a fixed distance and repeat it accurately across all parts. Its fine marking point creates clean lines without tearing the wood surface. In real projects, it reduces errors and improves layout accuracy. When clean and consistent preparation is required, a marking gauge ensures every cut starts from the correct reference point. Bar clamps. Bar clamps are essential for holding wood pieces firmly together during glue-ups and assembly. And imagine joining several boards to create a tabletop. Without proper pressure, gaps can form and weaken the structure. These clamps apply even force across the material, keeping everything aligned while the adhesive sets. With adjustable length and strong grip, they work for both small and large projects. In real woodworking, they improve joint strength and accuracy. When secure assembly and clean bonding are important, bar clamps ensure your work stays tightly held in place until it is fully set. Workbench Table. A workbench table provides a stable and organized surface where all your woodworking tasks come together. Imagine cutting, assembling, or sanding without a solid base. This can lead to inaccurate results and wasted time. A sturdy workbench keeps your materials secure and often includes features like clamping areas or storage for tools. In real projects, it improves control and workflow efficiency. When consistency and speed matter, a reliable workbench table becomes the foundation that supports every step of your project. Bench Vise. A bench vise holds your workpiece firmly in place, allowing you to work with both hands free and full control. Imagine cutting, drilling, or shaping wood that keeps moving. This tool eliminates that problem by locking the material securely. With adjustable jaws and strong clamping force, it keeps pieces steady during detailed work. In real projects, it improves safety and accuracy while reducing errors. When stability is critical for clean and precise results, a bench vise ensures your material stays exactly where you need it. Dust collector. A dust collector is essential for maintaining a clean and safe woodworking environment by capturing dust directly from your tools. Imagine cutting or sanding for extended periods. Fine dust quickly spreads across your workspace and affects both visibility and air quality. This system connects to compatible tools and pulls debris into a collection unit as you work. In real projects, it reduces cleanup time and helps maintain a healthier workspace. When efficiency and cleanliness matter, a dust collector keeps your workflow smooth and your environment under control. Tool organizer. A tool organizer keeps your entire workspace structured, ensuring every tool has a designated place. Imagine working on a project and constantly searching for the right tool. It breaks your flow and wastes valuable time. With compartments, racks, or wall-mounted systems, an organizer allows you to access tools quickly and store them safely after use. In real projects, it improves efficiency and reduces clutter, making your workflow smoother. When organization directly impacts speed and productivity, a tool organizer helps you work faster, stay focused, and maintain a clean, professional setup. That was 30 amazing tools that can truly make your projects faster and easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more practical tools and smart tech content that actually improves your workflow, subscribe to AU Tech First. Because here, every video is built to help you work smarter, faster, and with better results every time.